today we're at Bike Sexy Bike Show in an old hour. You know, say we are there and good as soon to go there. And I'm really here to see the females right now come out and stunt them someday. So stay tuned and subscribe, like and comment on this video.
Yeah man, the tempo of the move you know. People remember the tuning to jump beats now. See, that's how stunting go man. Out and stunting. Which one I ask you? One silver axle there here. Hold on for the mic show you knock your pin. All bikers have out from all over. England, America, Canada, all the US, Jamaica. And we come with them all here. Right. All here. You baby. Yes man, take me to see him. You understand? Out and stuff. Back to life. Down there life. Out and stuff. Roll it, man. And nice this over here. Everybody know. Drop it down. Let's go. Look at me. Look like that up go on. Look like that up go on. Yeah, they make it out. The moment that they make roll out. Roll out to the bikers, roll out. Roll out to the bikers, roll out. Roll out to the bikers, roll out. Let's do it. Go, come on. Are you out to us?
Remember say sea boss there, you know. Remember say bad scene the road out there, you know. The bad female them there, you know. Yeah, man. Take time, baby, man. Take time, man. Let's feel out the chat, man. Find the general. Find the 50 cent teacher out the stuff. Watch you run the boss. Cut that fuck. One year life. Yeah, man. Short time now. Short time into. Yeah, man, the boss. Find the top, the boss. Run the life. Keep some spoilers there. Watching all the fire now. Yeah, man. Remember, bike sexy, you know. Yeah, man. Valentina bike, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Kick out. Crazy, crazy. Run the life. The fire is up. Run the life. Crazy. Run for the last of the girl. Life from best original. Rock it. Run the life. Crazy. Start time. Start. What is the general? Remember the whole vibe structures in there. Remember the sea bar step on the drum. See the light over there, so. Remember the bar. Remember the kitchen. Run for star there tonight. Remember my test meter. Run for the bar.